In this year's interview guidance program, we are adding one new component. What we had done at La Excellence is, we had collected the transcripts of last 5 to 6 years, and we had collected around 4,000 to 5,000 questions. And we had divided these transcripts into 12 subcategories. Because we had seen UPSC is asking questions related to your personal background. Your personal and background questions. So what we had done is, we had collected questions from the last 5 to 6 years, and we had kept under personal and background related questions. So if you send your DAF to the La Excellence, we will give you the personalized questions to you all. So through questions also you can prepare your interview preparation. So we had divided all these questions. We had collected around 4,000 to 5,000 questions, and we divided into 12 sections. One is personal and background related questions, and we had made around 2,000 questions on 30 hobbies. So if you are sending your DAF, we will send you questions related to your hobbies related questions. Even we had kept one more chapter called your educational background. If your educational background is medicine, so we will give you some 100 to 200 types of questions. So it will give you little bit confidence to your interview preparation. So if you want, you can take help of these particular questions. And we had given questions on the current affairs. And current affairs we had divided into 2 sections. One is current events related to world and current affairs related to India. And we are giving you around 200 to 300 questions on current affairs, on the current issues. And we are giving you questions related to your state specific. If you are from Telangana, I think we had made some 150 to 200 questions, and we will give it to you. So based on your state, we will give you certain questions. And UPSC is asking questions on opinion based questions. So we had collected the opinion based questions of last 5 years. So we will give you these opinion based questions as well. And sometimes in the UPSC board, so if you are posted as a district magistrate in a, yes, it is related to some ethics. So we will give you the opinion based questions. Even sometimes UPSC is asking questions on your optional subject. If your optional subject is on sociology, so we had collected a set of questions. So we will give you the optional related questions as well. And even one more is your employment based questions. So if you are working in any of the employment, so we will give you the questions related to employment as well. Getting my point? So if you send your DAF, so we will prepare a personalized set of questions and we will give it to you, so you can take help of these particular questions for your interview preparation. Okay, so this is a small announcement. So please send your DAF as soon as possible. Yeah, actually we had divided into 12 chapters. So one is the personal and background related questions, and the second is hobbies, and the third is educational related questions, current affairs, world and India, state specific, opinion based, optional subject based questions, employment, and even district related also. If you are from any famous city like Puri, so we will give you set of questions related to your place also. And even we had prepared questions on the strengths and weakness, because UPSC sometimes is asking what are your strengths, what are your weakness. So we had created questions on the strengths and weakness as well. And all these are the previous year questions.
Great. But I mentioned here the year or the board or anything like that.
Sir, we had prepared questions based on board also.
Okay. Yeah, last time we had both.
Yeah. Even
we didn't do this one.
Yeah, this year we are planning, sir. We had prepared 4,000 to 5,000 questions. So these, except the current affairs of world and India and the state, all other questions are the previous year questions asked in the UPSC interview. So I think it will be helpful for you. Yes, this is the new concept we are adding this year. So strengths and the weakness also. And we had made one more category also on service reference questions also. If you are keeping IFS first, then IAS, so you are getting a set of questions. So we had divided questions on service reference also. So we will give you all the set of questions based on your DAF. So you should send your DAF as early as possible, and we will give you a personalized questions.
So are they an AI generated or the exactly same number of questions what they have asked in the UPSC?
See, what we had done is, we had taken the help of the transcripts which is available in the open market. So based on that, we generated a lot of questions, and sometimes we deleted certain questions which are irrelevant, and we added some new questions as well. So most of the questions are UPSC based questions.
He is asking, what are these questions? Is the questions simply picked up or generated?
Sir, most of the toppers, they had given their transcripts in the open source.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So you picked up the question?
Yes, we picked up the questions. Yes.
You did only that?
Yes, and we added few questions as well. Both. It is a mix.
Added by AI.
Not added by?
AI, artificial.
No. It was added by the Law Excellence R&D department. Yes. So all the very best to you all. God bless you all.